Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to explain about pointer to string. See, normally in C language, how can we represent the string? Here, I'm showing like this, character array. Any string we are representing like this. But we already discussed that a square brackets is exactly equals to star. Is nothing but a pointer type. So instead of this, simply we can write this character pointer yes. This character pointer can point to the single character, and in the same way, the character pointer points to array of characters also. One simple example, I am taking character pointer yes. Directly you can specify the string here. String. Suppose here it is, I'm taking that full stack. I'm taking full stack. So then the memory will be allocated for the full stack. You know that side by side memory locations. Side by side memory locations, and with the last character is a null character, memory will be allocated. Index starting with a 0. Sir, how can we display the details? You know that very simple. Printf percentage yes. Percentage yes means what? Right here, it is expecting the base address. Yes holds the base address only. Suppose 2046, that is the base address. Once you specify the base address, from the base address, simply we are giving yes. From the base address up to the null character, all characters will display. So output will be full stack. Output will be full stack. But see, if you are printing like this, printf percentage C character, then now if you display yes, character means a single character, but remember, everyone thinking that yes means what is a first character will print? No. Yes holds this 2046. This 2046 integer value corresponding garbage character, simply to say unexpected character it will display. Sir, which character it will print? We don't know. Some character it will print. So then how can we display this F? First character, how can we display? Printf percentage C pointer yes we need to specify. How to specify? Pointer S we need to specify. Now what is that S value? Is a 2046. Here single character I am printing. Pointer to S means what? That value, the character which is inside the memory location will display. Look at this, both are same. But here we mentioned percentage yes, here we mentioned percentage C. For percentage yes, if you specify the base address, from the base address up to null character, all the characters will display. But for percentage C, you have to specify the location. That location address only will, location value only will print. This is the simple way of understanding how to create pointer to the string. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.